Hello everyone, welcome back to Khmerue Teams Official Channel. Today I'm Chui again and I will show you how to add custom robot text, or we can say the sitemap. So custom robot text is a text that uh, allow you to transfer any hosting links to the Google search index. This means like that when you add the custom robot text, it means you are allow Google search to text or to index every site links uh, inside the Google search, just like that. Now I'm gonna show you like this. For example, I'm gonna type this one and here, and you will see something like this that called khmereteams.blogspot.com. It is an recall. It is the robot custom robot text. It means that you allow Google to use uh, that code to generate all link and list every link inside the Google search. So to do that, you need to find one uh, one website that is called sitemap. Okay, sitemap generator here. So go ahead and find the sitemap generator. Now I'm gonna recommend you to use this website because it is very good for you. It's still using an atoms file and it's support with XML sitemaps. So go ahead and choose this labsnull.org here. When you are on this page, you will see the place here that it is more support with blogger.com. So now we go to your blogspot website here and copy the link and then pass it inside this place and then click generate sitemap here. And now we have already, and it is very fast to generate. Thing that you're gonna do is you only select this from this place to the ends of this one to 500 and copy that, and now go back to the blogger.com and you will see the setting here. Go to setting and scroll down to find custom robot text. Okay, so now scroll more down and you will find that word called, this one is scrolling and indexing. When you see this, it means the crawlers and indexing. It means Google will index every link that you post inside the Google search. So go ahead and click on custom robot here. Okay, click on that, and if you see something that look like this, it means you already add, but I recommend you to turn it off for a while, just like this. Okay, and now turn it back just like this, and then you need to delete all of this code because sometimes it is a default code. Default code is sometimes not working perfectly. So now replace it with that code and then click save, and we still use a .xml file here and click on save. Okay, now we go one more step is you go to the console search console page here. Okay, if you already add the size, okay, you need to add a property at this place. So click on add property for the first site, and here's for the domain, but for the prefix URL like URL under the blog spot. You need to use this one here, and now click the URL again of your blogspot website, and then click on this place and paste the URL here, and then click continue. And now the ownership auto verifies, and then go to property and click on got it, and you make sure that you have select the correct site that you want to add a sitemap here. So go ahead and click on the sitemaps here and choose the correct site. Click on sitemaps, and now here is the name of your blogger.com. After you have been already add the sitemap inside the crawler here, your blogger.com will be see this code. Now I'm gonna show you type it by sitemap here. So click on that. You need to add this word inside and then click enter. Okay, with S. Okay, not found. Sorry. Okay, wait. Okay, you need to add this one. Replace by this one, sitemap.xml here. So if you already add the custom robots.txt, it means you will find the code inside when you hit enter. So you go ahead and you will see this if you already add the custom robot.txt here. But if you not yet add the sitemap inside the custom robot.txt, you will not see this coding here. So you don't need to do anything with that because we need. I want to show you that it is working or not after you have been add the custom robot.txt. So now if you see this, it means you are working now. So go ahead and select the HTML. Select the word like this, the last word, and then you need to add this one here. Now pass this one, Khmerue HTML.blogspot.com, and then slash the sitemap.xml. If you are copy or write it correctly, it will properly work and everything will be in the blue. So now click on submit now. Submit again. Okay, sitemap is not working now. Okay. Now I'm gonna return it back, but you will see the URL of the site here. Okay, you need to wait for a while because sometimes they are fetching data or fetching the links inside your URL from one by one. So sometimes you need to wait it for a while. Okay, and you can delete the thing that is not work. So now I'm gonna delete this one and this one also because it is in red mark. Okay, now we already signed the success, and now we're gonna refresh that and wait for a while. It will be work, and it will transfer every link to the Google search index. So thank you for watching, and you can click directly from that place to see how many URL that have been listed inside the Google search now. So here is we have 58 URLs that are already listed now in the Google search. So thank you for watching this video.